Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private, how to hide the people that you're following and the people who are following you. In other words, how to hide your following list. First thing, let's launch the Instagram app. Next thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your small profile picture. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on them. And then you want to click on settings and privacy. Next thing you want to click, you want to scroll down and you want to click on account privacy. You want to click on this one, and this is where you can turn your account from public to private. You click on this, and this is what you've been warned from Instagram. Business accounts can't be private. This is a very good reminder. This means that if you really want to turn your account private, you gotta switch from business account to a creator account. This is something very important because business accounts' sole purpose to exist or to convert the regular account is to sell something, to be public, and to share content. They are very beneficial for Instagram algorithm. So this is how you're gonna go about it if you have a personal or creator account. This is how you can actually shift from public to private. You have to toggle this in. What this will do, essentially when you toggle this on, this will simply hide your posts, the posts that you're tagged on, the posts that you created, liked, followed. Also on top of that, when your account is private, only followers you approve can see what you share, including photos, videos, hashtags, location pages, followers, and following list. This means that even if somebody followed you, right, you approve them, but they still might not be able to do so because you filter a particular followers to see the pictures, the hashtags, the contents, the locations. You know how sometimes somebody follows you, you want to follow them back, and Instagram is telling you your following request has been sent. This means that you cannot follow them automatically. This is how you turn your account private and how they have to approve you to be part of their following list. Because even though you're not following them, right? You click on their followers, you cannot see them. You click on the people they follow, you cannot see them, simply because the account has been turned into private. And like I mentioned, if you have a business account, you cannot do that. First step will be for you to switch from business to creator or from business to personal account. And then you can come to this setting over here. Remember the steps very well, right? Settings and privacy, scroll down to account privacy, and this is where you actually shift. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.